United Hydraulic Technology, your hydraulic solutions. Since beginning operation in 2007, UHT has continued to grow and remains committed to becoming the most reliable hydraulic service company in Kalimantan. With over a decade of experience, UHT has built a deep understanding of customer needs, technical specifications, and environmental aspects in hydraulic engineering, both in Kalimantan and throughout Indonesia. UHT's comprehensive facilities support fabrication, machining, hard chrome plating, and strict quality control processes. With a specialized focus on hydraulic systems, UHT has developed expertise in manufacturing, repairing, re-engineering, and supplying all necessary hydraulic components. UHT will continue to pursue progressive excellence in research and development, delivering the latest technological solutions to its customers. Supported by expert teams, experienced engineers, and strategic partners, UHT is committed to being your most reliable hydraulic solutions. Hydraulic pumps, motor and valve services. UHT is not only an expert in hydraulic cylinders, we also specialize in repairing hydraulic pumps and motors, meeting or even exceeding OEM standards. With our MHEPT 140 testing platform, powered by 140 kilowatts, we deliver thorough testing at pressures up to 350 bar and an oil capacity of 800 litres. SKF SealJet Machining Centre. Welcome to UHT's SKF Seal Jet Machining Centre, your reliable partner for high-quality seals from SKF. Using the SKF Seal Jet NG60 system, we offer modern CNC production technology, high-precision cutting, and advanced software with up to 169 pre-programmed standard seal profiles. Products and services. We offer fully integrated hydraulic cylinder repair services using the most advanced equipment and stringent quality control. Each hydraulic we repair is tested with pressure testing machines and guaranteed to meet OEM standards. Our services include hydraulic cylinder assembly and testing, MIG welding, use of resealing tools, lathe and milling machines, drilling and hydraulic press, honing and polishing processes, motor and pump, hydraulic repair, customized hydraulic seal, PEX transactions, provide telescopic cylinders, the equivalent of Hiver. Our capabilities cover disassembly and reassembly of hydraulic cylinders, rod and tube, replacement, seal, replacement line, boring thread and bore repairs, pressure testing up to 5,000 psi inside and outside hard chrome plating. Support facilities, quality control. All work stages are rechecked and strictly monitored according to ISO 9001:2015 standards. Chroming. With a plating capacity of 40,000 amperes, we can handle workpieces up to 8 meters long. Welding. Certified industrial welding processes, capable of MIG and TIG. Honing. Using Sunnen technology designed to handle extreme heavy-duty loads. Machining center. Complete facility with a working diameter of up to 1.2 meters and length up to 6 meters. Polishing. Capable of processing rods up to 9 meters, manually or automatically. Brush plating. A market leader in selective surface reconditioning. Assembly bay. Capable of assembling cylinders up to 10 meters in length. We believe in providing complete solutions under one roof. Our facility enables us to deliver comprehensive services for all your hydraulic cylinder needs. With over 18 years of experience and more than 20,000 cylinders and components serviced, we are equipped to support all cylinder types: excavators, off-highway vehicles, trucks, bulldozers, graders, loaders, and more. We guarantee all cylinders are manufactured to at least OEM specifications. All internal and external components are 100% interchangeable with high-quality OEM products and aftermarket product. Replacement parts are available for major brands such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, and Hitachi. Warranty terms that match or exceed OEM standard. Our philosophy is simple yet powerful. Provide top quality repair services. Ensure the fastest turnaround time. Offer the most cost-efficient solutions. Exceed customer expectations. Always stay one step ahead with advanced technology solutions. United Hydraulic Technology, your hydraulic solutions.